Chewy Keto Cookies Recipe, say goodbye to dryness and hello to bliss. Craving a warm, gooey cookie but stuck in your keto groove? With just 5 simple ingredients and minimal effort, you'll be baking melt-in-your-mouth cookies that rival their high-carb counterparts. This recipe yields about 12 generously sized cookies, perfect for sharing, or not, we understand. Ingredients: 1 cup almond flour, finely ground ½ cup coconut flour, 1/4 cup granulated Swerve, or your preferred keto sweetener, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup melted butter, grass-fed for extra keto points, 1 large egg, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, but adds depth of flavor, pinch of sea salt, optional, but enhances sweetness, sugar-free chocolate chips, optional, but highly recommended. Use semi-sweet or dark for diverse flavor. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, sweetener, and baking soda. This dry mix forms the base of your chewy magic. 3. In a separate bowl, combine the melted butter, egg, and vanilla extract, if using. Whisk until well integrated and frothy. 4. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry mix, stirring continuously until a soft dough forms. Don't overmix, gentle folding is key to maintaining that coveted chewiness. 5. Optional, fold in your desired amount of sugar-free chocolate chips. We recommend 3/4 cup for maximum melty goodness. 6. Using a tablespoon or cookie scoop, portion out the dough onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving space for spreading. Gently press down on each cookie to flatten slightly. 7. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Remember, these cookies continue to firm up as they cool, so don't overbake. 8. Let the cookies cool completely on a wire rack before devouring. Resist the urge to dig in while they're hot. Tips and tricks: for extra chewiness, substitute half of the coconut flour with almond flour. Add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm, festive twist. Swap out the chocolate chips for chopped nuts, seeds, or dried fruit. Keto-friendly options, of course. Store leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer storage. Remember, this recipe is keto-friendly, but always calculate your individual macros as ingredients can vary slightly in terms of net carbs. Enjoy these cookies as an occasional treat and pair them with a balanced keto diet for optimal results. With this simple, foolproof recipe, you'll never have to choose between keto and indulging in a truly exceptional cookie again. Don't forget to share your cookie creations with us in the comments below. We love seeing your baking magic.